Here are the tools and materials required to install this product. Hi, in this video today, we're going to show you how easy it is to do a Weathergroove off-stud join. This join is used for all our primed products. To start with, you're going to need a timber frame at a maximum 600 centres. As far as your nogs go, for your intermediates, please refer to your Weathergroove install manual. Next, you've got a vapour permeable sarking, and of course you need 100mm ground clearance from sealed ground. So you put your sheet up, nail it off, your joiner fits onto the rebate edges of the board, and if Matt comes in, he can show you how easy that is. The board's only 9.8 kilos per square metre and is very light. If you put it on a 45-degree angle, and you can slip it straight into that join, and you can see how easy that goes in. Then once it's in, it actually creates the same width and depth as the grooves on the sheet. Once that is ready to be painted, you give it an etch prime, paint it up, and you will not know that there's a join there.